How to add a sticker to WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add stickers to WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll want to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, head over to the text where you want to create a new story. So right here, just open up the text area and then you will see the stickers option. Now, after you find the stickers option, there already will be a lot of stickers which you can add, and from that stickers you can choose whichever you want. Now there is a long list of stickers and you can even browse for more stickers pack. So that's one way. You can head over to browse more sticker packs, and from here you can get any of these stickers. And the stickers are really fun. You can use whichever you want. And the other way is you can create a new sticker as well. Tap on this create button. After you tap on the create button, simply choose a picture from your gallery and then a sticker will be generated from it. And yeah, that is basically it. Now, if you want to share it, we can do that. So let's do that here. Send this. And yeah, now it's that simple. That is how you can add stickers to your WhatsApp. Now, if you head back here, and head over to stickers again, you'll see the new created stickers right here. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.